State versus Gary Van Natter, 14-61, which is possession of methamphetamine with intent to deliver, marijuana, no seat belt.
He also has
49,
49.
which is drug cases too, also.
Right, Your Honor. Well, there's no steps to take today in that case. There's been a plea offer made. If we could set that, when's his next time to appear?
Let me look here.
September 4th,
That'd be for plea and motion day?
that's the status hearing of the pre-trial, September 23rd.
Okay.
But if we need to hear something, we can do it on that day,
On September 4th?
if we need to.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is September 4th in both cases, that next day?
Yes.
Looks to be, yes. All right.
Judge, I would have may he be excused, Your Honor?
Yes.
On State versus Donald Patterson, yes, that's 14-105. That would be the same announcement in that case as well. We could just reappear September 4th.
Patterson, you say?
Yes, sir.
Very well.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. 13-339, State versus Jay Barnett.
Your Honor, is there a current scheduling order on this case? Or-
Yes, well, I don't know. It may have been passed for some reason.
We missed one trial there.
We did, Your Honor. It was set for plea today.
There's still a holdup on restitution on this case right now, Your Honor. So if we're not currently on a schedule, I guess we need to go ahead and get on the schedule.
How much time do you need?
October.
Either October or November setting, Your Honor, should be
For
Plenty of
trial?
for trial.
Okay.
I'd say probably the November, if that pleases the court.
Ready to go, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
14-189, State versus Larry Maynard, delivery of methamphetamine, marijuana, possession of marijuana with intent to deliver.
Your Honor, it's my understanding the court appointed us this morning, so we will enter our appearance. And there's a scheduling order and discovery. We'll get copies of that. Move forward.
Okay, there is an order, scheduling order. Stay in contact with your attorney, sir. State versus Edwin Valencia, 14-185. Looks like a hot check case.
Your Honor, I'll enter my appearance on Mr. Valencia's case. Has he entered a plea on this previously?
Let me see. Yes, he
Yes.
did enter a plea.
Okay.
Was appearing for a date for attorney status.
Okay.
And his next, there's a scheduling order in the file you can get. Next, September 4th has been set for a pretrial motion hearing.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Uh-huh.
May he be excused?
Yes. 14-181, State versus Justin Sweet, possession of methamphetamine.
Your Honor, I'll also be entering my appearance on Mr. Sweet.
Okay,
I believe he was here on attorney status hearing as well.
correct. There's also been a scheduling order. His next appearance for pretrial motions, if any, is on September 4th also.
Thank you, Your Honor. May he be excused?
Yes, sir.
That's all I have today, ma'am.
14-123, State versus Tracy Jones, possession of methamphetamine. Ma'am, I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, sir.
And do you feel you understand what is in the police statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the charge against you and the range of possible penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty to possession of methamphetamine?
Yes, Your Honor.
By entering this plea, you're giving up your right to have a trial and you cannot appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you entering the plea freely and voluntarily,
Yes, Your Honor.
other than the recommendation as to what your sentence should be, which is in the plea statement? Other than that, have you been promised anything?
No.
Okay. You been threatened or pressured in any manner in order to get you to change your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
It looks like on or about March 10th of this year here in Baxter County, you were in possession of some methamphetamine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This time, ma'am, I will accept your plea and judge you guilty. You'll be sentenced to 4 years probation. During that time, be of good behavior and report to the probation office and obey the terms and conditions provided. You'll pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a $200 public defender fee, a DNA fee of $250, a drug crime assessment of $125, and a $20 booking fee. Pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 30 days. You make your payments to the Sheriff's Department.